Hi everyone, Brent here, owner of SousVideChef.com.au. We've been selling vacuum sealers now since 2016. We've built a strong reputation on providing you with great customer service, honest advice and premium quality products. With over 1,000 5-star reviews from happy customers all throughout Australia, there's no better place to buy from than SousVideChef.com.au. Today, I've got one of our best-selling and most popular vacuum sealers to show you, the Proline VS CH3 vacuum chamber sealer, with what you might have guessed already just from looking at the video, with the bubble lid. This machine is powered by two quarter pump motors, oil-free, maintenance-free. So what that means is there's no oil required, no servicing, no maintenance. All you do, just plug it in and away you go. It's got a fast air extraction rate of 120 litres per minute. It's got a beautiful double seal to keep your food nice and tight. And one of the best things I like about it is the see-through Perspex lid, 20 mil thick. This is a really solid lid as well. In the lid itself, you've got the seal. So over time, if your seal runs out, you just pull this one out and replace it with a new one. Just down here, you've got a removable heat seal bar, so that makes it good just to clean around the heat seal bar. Also, these are replaceable as well, so we'll just put that back in there. And then one of the best things you've got is the clearance. So you've got now with the bubble lid, 16 centimeters of clearance in the center. So it's great for those bigger cuts of meat. And when talking to people, I get a lot of questions. People ask me, Brent, will this machine fit a leg of lamb? And can you guess what my next question is? How big's the leg of lamb? But if you want the best possible chance of having your leg of lamb fit in this machine, this is the one for you. This is a 2.5 kilo chicken I did back in January, and look at that. It is still sealed beautifully, still got a beautiful double seal. Let me bring that up to the camera if I can. There, have a look at that. That's still frozen, sealed so well. I hope you can see that there. I'm going to put it back in the freezer soon. That'll probably be used at Christmas time as well. Also, this is perfect for doing liquids, marinades. Also, you can do jars in here as well, which I'll show you a little bit later on and you'll see in the video too. So this is a really perfect machine if you want to do more of those wet products, those bigger products, and you want that powerful air extraction as well. So now let's get into it and let's take a look at some vacuum sealing and see whether it's the machine that's right for you. Okay, I've got some peanuts here that I'll vacuum seal. First, what I'll do is I'll change the camera around so it faces onto the clip inside the machine, so you can see how I clip the bag into position. Very easy to do, but let me show you that first and then we'll go to the vacuum sealing process. So really simple to place the bag. All you need to do is lift the clip up here, position your bag in here. Now you have the bottom of the bag, the bottom of the opening here. All you do is just slide that under the clip we just lifted up. Then all you need to do is press that down. That's in position. And now it's beautifully smooth over the heat seal bar. Now let's get to vacuum sealing these nuts. Now to adjust the vacuum time, all you need to do is press the set button. You can adjust it, plus will go up, minus will go down. I'm going to leave it at 45 seconds. If you press set again, it changes to the seal time. Again, the plus button will move it up, the minus button will move it down. So I'm going to leave it at 4 seconds. And then all you need to do is press the vacuum seal button and the machine will work its magic. Okay, so now the nuts are done. Let's open up the machine, open up the lid, pull the clip up and have a look. Have a look at that. Excellent. So tight. You could be able to see that double seal just there. And again, that is vacuum very tight. That is fantastic. Okay, now I'm gonna vacuum seal some boneless pork leg with crackling. I picked this up this morning. Its weight is about 2.6 kilos. I'm going to vacuum seal it now, put it in the freezer, have it for Christmas, and even come Christmas time when I open it, it'll still be as fresh as it is today. So this is in a 30 centimetre wide bag here by 35 centimetres long. These are the biggest bags this machine can take. So 30 centimetres wide by 35 centimetres long is the biggest bag this machine can take. Okay, now let's go and vacuum seal some pork. As we can see now, the pork is ready to be vacuum sealed. So let's start vacuum sealing. Okay, so the pork's done now. Let's take a look at that and see how that's turned out. Wow, that's absolutely perfect. That is really tight and strong double seal here. That's tight. That's not opening. That's gonna stay fresh no matter what. I'm gonna put this in the freezer, have it at Christmas time. I've got no doubt it'll still be as fresh as what it is today. Let me just see if I can hold it up to the camera a little bit. So have a look at that. That's beautiful. That is tight. That's a really great vacuum seal there. Fantastic. 2.6 kilos in the machine, no problem at all. So now I'm gonna vacuum seal some pasta sauce, which I just have here. Obviously we all know how hard and difficult this can be with your little bench vacuum sealers, where the bag sits outside the actual machine and sucks the air out of the bag. We all know what happens when you use those machines with this. So now let's use the vac chamber sealer and see how this vacuum seals. Okay, so the pasta sauce is all ready to go. Let's close the lid and we'll start the vacuum process now. Okay, so the pasta sauce is done now. Let's take a look at this and see how it turned out. So fantastic, no mess. And look at that, that's fantastic vac seal. Again, let's test the seal. Strong double seal. Nothing's pulling that apart. And now you've got beautifully vac sealed pasta sauce or liquid. Have a look at that. It's not even going up into the seal area. Absolutely sealed perfectly. So marinades, things like that, fantastic. Another double seal, absolutely fantastic. So now we're gonna vacuum seal some jars. A lot of people don't know you can vacuum seal jars with the vacuum chamber sealer. You can vacuum 1 jar, you can vacuum 3 jars, you can vacuum as many jars will fit in the vacuum chamber sealer. I've got 3 jars here, all with the pop lids on them, so when you open it, it goes pop. What will happen is when we're vacuum sealing, you'll see the little pop lid pull back down, and by the time it's finished vacuuming, if we open it, it should go pop again. So let's open it up here. Now, one thing with the jars and vacuum sealing them is you don't do them up tight. You do it at hand tight, okay? So just simple hand tight, just place it in the machine like that. This one here, we'll do hand tight. And again, another one just in the machine here. And then what I'll do is I'll bring the camera around to face it inside the chamber. And what we should be able to see during the vacuum sealing process is the little pop lid. Sorry, I don't know the exact terminology for it, but at pulling back down, okay? So let me bring the camera around and let's vacuum seal the jars and see how we go. Okay, I've got the vacuum seal time set on 35 seconds, which I find is enough. Seal time, you don't have to worry about it because it's not sealing. So let's see if we can see when the pulls the actual lid down. So now, did you see that pull the lid down? Now, what I'll do is we'll go and open them and let's see how they turned out. So, okay, the jars are finished vacuum sealing. Let's see how it's gone. Let's open it up. So here's the first one. I'm gonna put it up close to the mic just to see if we can hear it. Let's see if we can hear it. Yep, there was the pop sound. The second one, I'll put it up close to the mic. Hopefully it'll pick it up. Oh, that was a good one, that one. And then the third one, put it up to the mic. Exactly. So that worked out fantastic. All 3 jars are vacuum sealed now, so that'll preserve them a little bit longer as well. So you can just see how easy it is to vacuum seal jars. Thanks for watching the video. Remember, my name's Brent, owner of souvidechef.com.au. We've built a solid reputation for providing you with honest advice, great customer service, and top quality products. With over 1,000 5-star reviews from happy customers throughout Australia, there's no better place to buy from than souvidechef.com.au.